My friends, tonight, good day. I showed the plant. Somebody gave this plant for me, and that was less than a year ago. And then I planted over, and I'm very pleased because the plant gives me joy and love. I'm not sure what the name of the plant is, but somebody, a lady, gave a piece of that plant for me that time. I planted there in my garden, not in the soil, just in a pot here, container, and that is what the plant did now for me, give me joy and love, and that is the time for blooming now. And you can see the lovely flowers on that stick, it looks nice, and it is growing high. So I planted just in a holder, in a container, and it's now there, and I break a lot of it, of that plant, and make new stems. But look at that, and every other one is in okay, that is the only one is in bloom now. But I hope and I believe the others will also be. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video because I put a lot of effort in to make the videos, and all I ask you is to subscribe to my channel, and then ask questions so that we can collaborate with each other. Thank you very much, and you don't have to subscribe. Please subscribe me. I see you in the next video. Okay, bye.